It's been a minute, but here I am. Been a little busy lately. I was helping Zach for ZH Fabrications. We were working on the Trebuchet video. There was a quarantine. I wrecked a motorcycle. That's kind of funny. I wrecked one of those. So before my accident though, I did get my hands on this. This is a fine motor. No, it's not fine, it doesn't work. This is a motor from a washing machine. I want the copper from this because I want to smelt it down and make some things out of it. So, I got these copper bits. The problem is they are coated in something. So I put a call out on Instagram to ask what's on these and how do I get it off. My Instagram people came through with some help. I was given the suggestion of vinegar, and I'm also gonna try acetone. Ugh. I have this weird thing where I have to smell everything. So some people said that it would come off in the smelting process. I'm gonna try that as well. It was also suggested to me to try just a fire and kind of see if it'll burn off like that. Luckily, I've got just the thing.
Yeah.
Stupid meat hooks. Yeah, no, I think it worked. I think it did. Since the overwhelming response was that it'll be fine in the crucible, then I'm just gonna throw them all in. Hi there. I'd like to take this time to talk about my sponsor. You guys. I had mentioned before, I had a motorcycle accident. I suddenly went from trying to make this dream work to I don't know what the future looks like, because truly I didn't. And I still have a long road of recovery to go. I still have to have surgery, so I will be back down again. You guys have been so supportive of me through everything. This is a thank you. Hopefully I keep putting out the content that makes it worth it. Following me and stuff. Thanks, guys. So it turns out I'm not crazy about the way that other one turned out. So I'm gonna try again, but I'll make this quick. Do you wanna do this for a while? What do I even pay you for? I pay you in food. It's crazy to think that this little pendant was made from this broken washing machine motor. That's super cool. Look at it. Look at it. Focus. It's cute. Ah. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Subscribe for more weird, crazy projects like this. Or if you just think that I'm funny. Do you think I'm funny? Do you think I'm funny? Am I funny?